Hello everyone, I'm Irena from Lithuania, from Vilnius. I'm working in Youth Job Center as information guidance and guidance advisor. I'm working with youth who are aged from 14 till 29. Some of them are learning in schools, some of them are students, and as well graduate students. And we are working as well with young employees who have finished their studies and can find the job, or just not still learning. So we are working with various youth. We provide advice in group sessions because we have some seminars and events for groups, for small groups like 5-person or 25-person in our job center. And as well we are working by individual way when school students come in small groups or one-to-one, face-to-face, just we want to communicate and to ask some questions. And as well in schools and universities we are providing information to big groups. Then come, I don't know, 50 or 100 students, less or more, but we are working with different groups. The main challenges is like we provide information to young people that it doesn't matter when you finish your school and universities, you will need still learning all the time, all the life, because labor market are a different one in a few years, and the world is changing, and you need to change and learn all the time. And as well a big problem is when we are learning, not learning, we are consulting that person who are less motivation or who haven't any motivation to do something. In that way it's quite difficult to do something. We are making a lot of various tests. As well we are making practical games which shows what kind of profession they fits to that person, young person. And as well we are making individual conversation with that person who don't know what to do or what kind of profession it fits for him, or like English language skills, or I don't know, graphic designer. And as well we are making some tests in schools as well. Providing information about labor market, regional, local, and as well national labor market information. And we are explaining how to prepare excellent CV, a good motivation letter, and how present yourself in work conversation with employer, how make a good impression, the first good impression to employer, and how to sell his knowledges. I think I can tell that no, maybe not enough information they have. They don't know sometimes how to search for a job and where to search for a job, or maybe they know 1, 2 or 3 more popular internet sites, but we have maybe 15 internet sites, so we have less information than another one. And sometimes we are making a lot of mistakes in CVs, and for motivation letter we just make a copy in internet site, and it's not good, and we explain why not good, how to do, what to explain, what to write, and etc. And as well we are trying to teach them how to represent by employer, how to make a good impression, how to sell their knowledges and skills, and as well how to get a job. So young person should be communicate with different persons, with different type of groups, and with maybe different potential of person. And as well should we have good working in team skills, and should be responsible. So that young person should be use computer in excellent way. I know not of them all know about the computer, or they may be using only Word but not Excel or PowerPoint on different programs as well. How if they know a lot of programs and their knowledge is in high level, it's okay. And as well, they should be able to use various data or searching systems. So they should have their professional skills as well. They should be able to communicate in different type of groups with different persons. As well, it would be great that they have leadership skills and would be able to work in team, in different team, in small team and a big one as well. And they need to have foreign language skills and quite good foreign language skills. We are not, unfortunately, working in schools and universities as a teacher or career consultant, and in that way we cannot ensure some skill set. But we are providing the newest, the good one information for that young person, what they need to know, what they need to looking for, and that information will be helpful to find a job, represent himself by employer, and etc. And as well, maybe in schools and universities need not only one career consultant, maybe two, or if not everyone have career consultant, should be have. And maybe making seminars not only one a month or in 2 months, but should be some, like I don't know, some steps, like first steps, second steps, third steps. And even in schools, career consultants doesn't have, unfortunately, all the information that we are required to have. And some questions are really difficult, then even we need to find the answer and to look for the newest information. Maybe in some cases no, because not all of them are the same one and have the same one knowledges. Some of them doesn't have enough experience and necessary information and skills how to find a job, what to do, and how to sell their diplomas to employer, and as well information about labor market. Some of them I don't know, studying law, and they think that they will working in law system or a lawyer, but unfortunately the situation in labor market a different one, and they need to prepare to make a different qualification or working not in lawyer system. And as well, we need to learn how to make a good impression for employer, how to make a good impression in debits, and etc. So they need to do a lot of work when they finish these schools. It doesn't mean that I have a diploma and the world is mine, In real life it doesn't like this, but we are trying and we are making some consultant how to do that. The world will be yours.